Wait, guys. You can see people from Australia earning $5. Okay, United Kingdom's $4.3 per day. Okay, this is the earning status of this website, guys. Just follow along this video, guys. I'll show you step by step how you yourself can earn money by just listening to some music, and you are getting paid a good amount of money. Just follow along this video step by step. I'm going to show you how you can do it. Okay, hello guys, what's up? And in this video I'm going to show you step by step how you can earn money online by just following some simple steps, and you are getting paid actually a good amount of money, guys. Okay, so watch along this video till the end and you are getting paid a good amount of money, guys. Okay, so this is a website, guys. You just need to log in this website. So the website link is in my description box. So what you need to do, just click on this get started. Okay, so this is your website. Okay, so by just clicking guys, how can you earn money online? And it's just a passive income, guys. Why? You just need to post your link over there and you are getting paid for that. Okay, but if you want to listen music, if you want to promote some healthcare products, just simple steps you need to follow, guys. Okay, so this is a website, guys, and I just show you the proof first. Okay guys, this is a website. I just show you the proof before we just dive deep into, guys. You can see, guys, this website was supporting PayPal, Payoneer and Payeer. Okay, these are the money, you get the money from these kind of supports as well. Okay, so don't worry. And what we need to do right now, you can see, guys, there is payout rates. Just click on this payout rates and you can see, guys, if you got 1,000 views as per 1,000 clicks, you are getting paid $5 if the person is in Australia. Okay, United Kingdoms, if it is from $4.3 if the person is of United Kingdom. If a person is from United States, you are getting paid 4.1, and there are lots and lots of money proofs as well. You can see, guys, all over the country, all other country, minimum payout is $1.5. Okay guys, so this is the best way to earn money, guys. Just passive income. Just do not have to do any kind of work, no skill required, guys. Just follow these steps and you are getting paid a good amount of money. I'll show you, guys. I'll show you how you can do it. So you just come up in this website, guys. Okay, so I just click on this logo button. Okay guys, I just click on this logo button and you just need to sign up for free. Okay, just click on this. You can see sign up for free. Just click on this sign up for free and you are redirected to this page. Okay guys, you just need to enter your credentials. Okay, your username. Okay, your username and your email ID you just need to put in. Okay, your password. Okay, and just click on the sign up button. So step by step I'm going to show you, guys. I'm not skipping any part. Okay, so my account is successfully created and this is I just need to put my email ID again. Okay, and my password. Okay guys, and just click on this I'm not a robot and just click on this sign in. Okay guys, and this is your dashboard. So what you need to do, guys, what you need to do, you just come up in YouTube. Okay, just type music playlist. Okay, playlist, I just say USA. Okay, music playlist of USA. You can see, guys, there are lots and lots of music albums and you just need to click on one of the albums and just you need to do what? You just need to click this URL of this video. Okay, this is the URL of this video. Just copy it, guys. Just simple copy it and come up in your dashboard and see the link. You can see the link. Okay, just click on this link, and what you need to do, guys, just click on this link. Okay, okay guys, what do I need to do? Just click on this new shorten link. Okay, just click on this new shorten link and just paste it your YouTube link, and just click on this red button. Okay, and this is your link shortening this is a link shortening website, guys. Okay, so generate a set of 5 or 10 such links. Okay, just have a certain set of, and you can see that, guys, whenever you are clicking on this link button, your link is automatically generated. So I just quickly show you some of your playlist. You can see, guys, if I just click on this another website, another playlist, and I just click on this, copy it and just paste it for another shortening of this link. Just control V. Okay, I just need to do what? I just need to create another link. Okay, you can see, guys. Okay, you just need to create more and more links and just refresh it, and you can see, guys, I have created another link. Okay, so what you need to do, guys, right now, so one more tip I just need to tell you, guys. Just come up in this linktree.com. okay, linktree.com, what it will do, guys, you just need to create a page of yours. Okay, so what it will do, it will give you page, a playlist of yours, your favorite musics, whatever your favorite musics, whatever videos you like in, guys, it will just create a playlist of top musics. Okay, just click on this. I don't have an account, so you just make an account. You just need to set up your email address. I just do it quickly, guys. Okay, so just you need to do add your username, guys. Okay, just enter your password. Okay, and just click on this register button. Okay, so select your niche, guys. Select your niche. So my is music. Okay, just click on this, I'm not a robot. Okay, guys, I'm not a robot, and save the details. Okay, and you can take whatever you can see, guys, whatever skill you are having, whatever skill you are promoting. I don't want you to just buy this premium membership. I just want you to have a continue and free. I'll show you, guys, I'll show you each and every step how you can do. You can see, guys, this is a interface within myself. You can do it. What do you need to do, guys? You can just verify your email ID. Okay, just click on this verification button and you're good to go. Okay, guys, so this page will generate your income exponential. Okay, you are getting paid from this website as well, and this website as well, guys. Okay, so what you need to do, guys, right now, I just want to copy this. Okay, copy this links that you have created. Okay, just add a new link. Okay, just put your link over this, and in the title, what you need to do, guys, in the title, you just need to just give this best English, whatever songs you are having. Okay, best songs, this is your title. Okay, just copy this title and just paste it over there. Okay, just paste it over there, and you can see, guys, just simple steps I just need to follow, and my link is ready. Okay, guys, this is our simple step. You can see, guys, this is how it looks like. Okay, this is how it looks like. You can create more links. I'll show you another link, guys. Okay, another link what we have created, just copy it, guys, and just come up in this link section. Okay, just copy it and just click on this title. So this is our previous video playlist. So this is our playlist. Just copy this playlist, Control C and Control or Command C and just paste it over there. That's simple, guys. You can see, guys, my another playlist is over there. Okay, and you can see, guys, I'll just show you how it looks like. Okay, so you can see, guys, this is my page. Okay, this is my page. So people come on this page and try to listen to my music. So why I have created this page, guys? Because whenever I have created links, so much links, I do not have to post it multiple links on social media. Okay, I just create a page and set my links over there, and just passive income, guys. If my page is successful, absolutely free of cost, guys, nothing you need to pay. So they just come up on this linktree.com. okay, with my, I'll show you how you can promote it absolutely free of cost, guys. Just have some patience. So whenever they come up in this, they just click on this link and they are redirected to the YouTube page. So at that redirection, you are getting paid from this website. Okay, guys, so that is why I have tell you guys how you need to do it. Okay, just create 5 more links. Okay, and you are good to go. Okay, that's simple, guys. Just you need to click it, enter this link. Okay, and just title. I show you step by step how you can do it, and just come up in this reddit.com. Okay, I just show you the traffic over there, guys. Music, I just type music. Okay, music is my niche. So you can see, guys, 24 million people are following this page. What do I need to do? You can see, guys, people are actually posting their small affiliate links. So what do I need to do? I just copy this link. Okay, copy this link of my page and just post it over there. Okay, just you need to post it over there, and there are lots and lots of traffics. Let's take an example, guys. We can see the payout rates, guys. Let's take United States. I have posted, guys, what I have posted. You can see music playlist of USA. Okay, so you can see, guys, you just need to do what? Okay, you just need to create a page. Okay, you just need to sign up in this website, and I just show you the payout rate of United States. It's $4.1. Okay, per 1,000 views. So if I can calculate, guys, per 1,000 views, and there are 24 million plus people over there. Okay, you can see, guys, 24 million plus people. Okay, so let us suppose, guys, from 24 million, only 1 million people are coming on my website. Okay, how many 1 million it is? It's 1 million, guys. Okay, it's 1 million. So it's 1 million. Okay, per 1,000 views. Okay, 1 million people just visited on my website. So this is means we get 1,000 into what is a CPM? 4.1. Okay, you can see, guys, $4,100 in my pocket by just posting my playlist over there. And it's just minimum. What you need to do, you just need to copy this playlist and just post it on reddit.com, and you are good to go. Just simple sign in, guys. You can sign up, okay, with Google account, with Apple, if you are having Apple account, and just you are good to go, guys. Just follow these steps and you are getting paid. And you can see, guys, if you have any doubt, you can see lots and lots of people are hover over this playlist. Okay, daily they are coming up, and you just need to create a playlist. So this is one niche, guys. Music is one niche. Okay, you can create health products as well. Okay, health playlist. What you need to do, select some healthy articles. Okay, what you need to do, some healthy articles, just copy the link and just create a playlist for health articles, and just click on this reddit.com health. Okay, just I click on this health niche, and you can see, guys, people are 1.1 million persons are health conscious. Okay, who just, and you can see, guys, as compared to music, more on health, likes are more on health. You can see So it's best website, guys. It's best website where you can promote absolutely free of cost. Not even a single penny from your pocket is going to spend. Okay guys, just follow, just like, share, subscribe this video guys. I'm going to show you step by step how you can create and earn money online just by following just simple steps. Okay, do like it, do subscribe it, so that there is always a motivation to give you best content. This is it for this video guys. We'll see you in the next.